So you're a resident of Saskatchewan and you have a Saskatchewan driver's license and you're driving in Ontario one day and the police pull you over and you get charged with a DUI and you eventually get convicted either after trial or pleading guilty. That's the interesting question today. Does a DUI transfer from province to province? And the very short answer is yes. First of all, our Canadian Criminal Code is a federal statute, which means it applies throughout Canada. So that when you're convicted in Ontario, and let's say the judge prohibits you from driving for 1 full year, which is the mandatory minimum, by the way, on a first offense, up to 3 years, by the way, but mandatory minimum 1 year, that applies across Canada. So you can't drive in any province for 1 year. Now, your own province, Saskatchewan, for example, they're also going to have their separate license suspension scheme, and they're going to notify you of whatever scheme they have, whatever ignition interlock program they do or don't have. I'm not an expert on Saskatchewan, I'm an expert on Ontario. So it applies in every province across Canada. You're going to be prohibited across the country, but you're also going to be forced to deal with that scheme in that particular province from the Ministry of Transportation. So let's look at Ontario, which I'm an expert on. This is what we deal with in Ontario. That's where I practice law. So first of all, the judge is going to prohibit you for 1 year from driving. The Ministry of Transportation in Ontario, they're also going to suspend your license for 1 year. You may be able to qualify for ignition interlock where you drive 3 months after your guilty plea for 9 months with the interlock device on. So that's for a first offense. But the short answer is don't think you're going to be able to drive in another province. Don't think you're going to do what a lot of clients ask. Mike, can I just go get a license in my home province in Newfoundland or move to another province? No, it's not going to work that way. You're going to show up on the CPIC police system for that full year across Canada. And if you get caught driving, you're going to wind up in jail, maybe for up to 30 days or more for driving while disqualified. That's a pretty serious offense. So that's the short answer to the question. It applies right across the province. So I guess the real answer to this video to avoid is don't drink and drive. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.